You probably already have a skill, service, or product that you could sell that you don't know you could utilize social media for. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha and I love talking about anything entrepreneurship, digital marketing, self-development, success, mindset, and everything positivity. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 different ways you can make money online through the usage of social media. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to make a disclaimer and say that everything that I'm going to be talking about in this video is 100% safe, legal, and very valuable ways of making money. You're going to be exchanging value, skill, time, or a product in exchange for this money. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. All of these things are not scams. I know there's a lot of scammers out there, and there's a lot of people that are promoting illegal and really sketchy and weird ways to make money online. But all of these things are going to be in exchange of value. A concept that I wanted to talk about in this video before I get into those ways of making money is the exchange of value. If you have something to offer, whether it's a product or a service, you're exchanging that for another piece of value, which is money. So all sales or commerce really is an exchange of value. And with that being said, let's get on with these ways of making money online. So the first way of making money online using Facebook is advertising products using Facebook advertising. Now, a really popular model that's really emergent and a lot of people are doing these days is something called dropshipping. And what that is an e-commerce store, so an online website where you're selling a product and you're advertising a product that you don't necessarily hold physically. So you find a supplier that sells a product and you market this product at a markup price. So say that you were buying it from the supplier for $5 and you're selling it for $10. You're using social media, specifically Facebook advertising, to promote that product and market that product, and you get to keep the profit. And so how that model really works is basically you set up an online store and you're selling a product, right? Now this product you don't necessarily hold inventory physically. You find a supplier, whether that's through AliExpress or Alibaba or a supplier in America, and you're selling a product for higher than what it costs. So say that the supplier is selling a product for $10. What you're going to do is when you set up your website, you're going to price that same product at a markup and sell it for $25 or $20. And what you're going to do is you're going to really utilize social media marketing and marketing your product and marketing your store in a really nice way so that you're getting the product to the person and all you're doing is spending money on the ad spend and you're spending money for the supplier. So when somebody places an order through your store, you're basically giving that information to the supplier and you're shipping that out to the customer. And then you get to keep the extra. So if you're selling a product for $20 and it costs you $10, you keep $10, and then obviously minus the ad spend. Well, the second way of making money online, specifically through Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, is affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing really is basically you selling another person's product and keeping a percentage of the profits. So this works really well if you already have a following. I don't know, say that you have a really big photography page. You're really big on photography, your followers love you because of your content. So because you have a following of people that really trust your advice and trust what you have to say regarding photography, if you found an affiliated product that has something to do with photography or a really big affiliate marketplace is actually Amazon. So if you found the camera that you use and you found it on Amazon and you apply to be an affiliate partner and you tell people to buy the camera that you have, or you'll actually get a percentage of the profit. And affiliate marketing, you can get anywhere from like a 4% to as high as 100% in profits. You can do affiliate marketing if you don't really have an audience. I'm not sure how that works, but if you have a stable audience and following and fans that trust you for a certain topic, it's best to market to them products or services that are similar to what you're already promoting because they trust you on that and they're more likely to purchase and opt in. So the third way of making money on social media is selling your services on Facebook. So this kind of ties in back to tip number 1, which is advertising on Facebook. But this, you're not selling a product, you're selling a service. So whether you do wedding photography, a copywriter, whether you do marketing, any type of service you have, use Facebook advertising and use Instagram advertising to promote your services and to tell people what you have to offer. Because if you're utilizing Facebook advertising where you're able to reach the masses and your client base and your clientele becomes that much greater, and you're able to get so much more money because you're able to reach so many different people. And the fifth thing I have for you guys is to sell digital products online. Now, this is really similar to step number 4 and step number 1, utilizing Facebook advertising, but what you can do is sell digital products. So much like selling a service and much like selling a product, you can sell a digital product. And the amazing thing about selling a digital product is that you're not exchanging your time for money. So you create a product one time, you use your expertise to create a product, and then you're producing that out to the masses. Virtual products can reach anybody at any time. You can make money in your sleep because somebody will be in the UK and you'll be sleeping in your time zone in the US, and somebody will buy your product while you're sleeping and you'll make money in your sleep. So really think about what your expertise is and think about selling digital products, because those are really, really efficient ways that people make money. And the profit margins on creating and selling digital products are extremely high, if not 100% profits, because there's not a lot of overhead, there's not a lot of fees, there's not a lot of anything really. It's just you creating a product one time and you're selling it to multiple different types of people. So you're providing value over and over and over. And the most you'll probably have to spend is in advertising in order to get your word out there. But I mean, you can also utilize word of mouth. You can also utilize organic growth and organic reach. I love making money online. I feel like with how the digital world is shifting, the digital platform is so powerful. It's only up to you to utilize it to start a business, scale your business, or even discover your business on social media. Now, I would love to hear back from you guys. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know of any products or services or anything that you do. Promote yourself down below in the comments and let me promote you and help you guys get some exposure as well. I love supporting local businesses. I love supporting small businesses. And I love supporting self-starters and people that want to create a better life for themselves. That's all what this channel is about. Then please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. And give me a thumbs up. With that being said, I hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see you guys in my next video.